to get the driver.
Yes, please.
Good spot. Still asleep?
Yep. I've got the keys. You got the tube?
Yeah, of course.
Excellent. Right. Sir. Sir. Hello. How are you?
Oh.
Do you know where you are?
Well,
Have any idea where you are right now?
oh,
Where are you, sir? Yeah. Right. Due to the fact that you are fast asleep in your vehicle while the engine was on, whereas I've turned it off and removed the key, so due to that manner of falling asleep while driving, I require a specimen of breath for analysis.
yeah,
Failure to provide is an offence.
yeah.